What I have in front of me and what I'm going to be discussing is the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. And it says shields hair from heat up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, reduces frizz and flyaways. I would not recommend anybody having, this heat on your flat iron, your curling wand, I think that's all your. Wait, I'm trying to think of any more heating tools. Your wave tool product, because I know they have like tools where you can wave your hair instead of like curl wanding your hair. But anyway, would not recommend. This is some high heat on your head. But anyway, okay. So on the back it says it's made with pure shea butter, but shea butter is good for the hair. Okay. For those that's looking for a like heat protector, try this out, because I know, it's stylists told me and a lot of people have told me in articles I've read that when you apply heat on your hair, I mean, it's safe. And you're supposed to put a heat protectant on your hair because, it's protecting your hair against heat. I don't know. I mean, for one, I feel like as long as you don't have the heat on a high heating setting, then you should be fine. But if you really want to be technical and follow like the proper procedure on doing your hair, I feel like you're about to put surgery or something. But okay, if you really want to get with the good advice and follow up on it so your hair won't have like any heat damage or anything, then yeah, go ahead and get you a heat protector. So you can see it's a pre-treatment for all hairstyles to prevent damage caused by flat irons and other heating styling tools, okay, while adding moisture to strands for smoother, frizz-free results. And then what it's great for: relaxed, texturized, colored, and permed hair. And gives the directions on how to apply this spray on your head. So spray on your hair before blow drying or air drying. Dry hair completely. Lightly mist hair evenly in target areas section by section before using a flat iron or curling iron. And then it gives you tips to, on sustaining the health. Let me adjust this right quick because I feel like this was like slipping out of my hand. Jesus. Okay. Let me go and adjust this right quick. Yay. Okay. So for tips. So it's giving you tips on, to add in moisture, to add in conditioning, or to repair, to your hair what you got going on. And then these are the ingredients. When I was flat ironing my mother's hair, I actually used this. And my mom's hair was silky. I think it depends on like what kind of products you use on your hair. I mean, if it's going to be like look all oily and sticky and stuck together, or if it's going to flow and look nice and have that nice sheen look and that nice silky look to it. But as my mom, her honest opinion, because my mom would tell her like it is. And I asked her if she liked her hair. On the back when I was doing her hair, it looked beautiful. I mean, what I did was I sprayed her hair before I blow dried it. And I used the tooth comb, I guess, that you attach to the dryer. And I used that, did 4 sections and just blow dried her hair out. And my mom's hair is thick, so yeah, and it took me some time. Thick and it's wavy, so it took me some time. But anyway, and then I kept her hair in there 4 sections, and I started her hair in the back, and of course I, section off with the comb, like, different parts in her hair in the back to make sure that I get everything straight, nice and even, and, apply this product on evenly on her hair. But anyway, I did like a a light mist like it's supposed to. Maybe like 1 or 2 sprays. Combed it with the comb. And a technique that I use is that, I forgot what's called, like the combing hair technique. I don't know. It's when you use the comb and when you flat iron the hair at the same time. So you have the comb in this hand, and then you might have the flat iron in your right hand. And as you have the comb first, you follow up behind it with the flat iron, and you just apply it like that, down like that. And it did good on my mother's hair. My mom was like, "Oh yeah, I liked it." She was swinging her hair around. I was like, "Okay, well, my mission is done. My job is done." So I'm glad that she liked it. But anyway, I mean, it smells really good. See how it looks when it's coming out. It smells good. It smells amazing. So it kind of looked a little watery, so I can understand why it says applied on damp hair. I'm shaking it too much, but yeah. So you can kind of see what it looks like. I sprayed it in the top, but it smells good. It smells like the other Cantu products that I've noticed. So they really trying to, you know, keep their smell trademark, and I respect that. I respect their brand. I respect their products, and I noticed that they use shea butter, or some people say shea butter, but I say shea butter, whatever. And a lot of their products, so that's a plus. You know, that's one of their main ingredients I believe that they use. So go ahead and try this. This Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant for your hair. Yeah, let your hair be flowing, glossy.